Now see one more comprehensive problem based on receipt and payment account and additional information. And from these two information, we are going to prepare income and expenditure account, opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet, and some other supporting ledger in working note. So see the question, pause the button for the time being and note down the question, and thereafter I am going to discuss the question first. So in this question, one receipt and payment has given. In the receipt side, your opening balance is cash in hand, cash at bank and fixed deposit, in which the rate of interest has also given at the rate of 9% per annum. Thereafter, membership subscriptions, members admission fees, sale of furniture, sale of grass, donation, match fund receipts, interest on FD. And the payment side, your salary, upkeep of fields and pavilions, medicine purchased, match expenses, building constructions, maintenance expense, rent and rates, grass seeds, cost of second-hand car and the balance CD. And the additional information: subscription opening, subscription closing, subscription receivable on 31st March 2019 and on 31st March 2020, and second one is only for 2020 subscription outstanding. Advance subscription similarly, opening and closing, stock of medicine opening and closing, staff salary opening and closing, and some information related to depreciation. So start with the working notes. In additional information, you see the staff salary, point number 4, staff salary. So start with the working note. Staff salary is the salary account. You have to prepare the salary account. Salary in the beginning, outstanding salary at the beginning is 1200 on 31st March 2019, and outstanding salary closing is 1400 on 31st March 2020. Salary indicating in the payment side is 1700 in the receipt and payment account payment side. So write the 17,000 over here. Salary 17,000. So total is 18,400. So difference amount indicates the salary of the current year, 17,200. This is the balancing figure. 17,200 is the balancing figure, and this amount we will write over here in the debit side of income and expenditure account, 17,200. This is salary of the current year. Salary of the current year. Similarly, we do the working related to medicine. In point number 3, information regarding medicine has given. Opening stock of medicine is 480. Closing stock of medicine is 650. And amount paid for medicine, which is given in the receipt and payment account payment side, 4,000. 4,000. So total is 4,480. 4,480. I have written the credit side as well. Difference amount will transfer to income and expenditure account, indicating that this much medicine has used during the year. So I write it over here. Medicine used 3,830. This is the medicine used, or you can say consumed during the year. Next ledger is your subscription, ledger of subscriptions. Outstanding subscription opening has given, it is 1,000. Outstanding subscription opening. Outstanding subscription closing 2,700. Advance subscription opening credit side 600. You have to write credit side in the credit side of subscription ledger, and advance subscription closing 900 in the debit side. And subscription received during the year, this is the received during the year. You will get this information in the receipt and payment account receipt side. So received during the year is 96,000. So total is 99,300. So difference amount transferred to income and expenditure account, this is 97,400. 97,400. You write the same amount over here and find out the difference amount, 97,400. This indicates that this much subscription is earned in the financial year 2019-20. So this amount, we'll write it subscription earned 97,400. 97,400. Now come to the debit side of this expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. You see the receipt and payment account side, payment side, upkeep of fields 3,400, upkeep of fields and pavilion 3,400, maintenance expenses 3,600, rent and rates 8,950, grass seeds 500, profit oblique loss on sale of furniture, profit oblique loss on sale of furniture, book value of the furniture sold is 5,000 and this furniture is sold at 1,600, which is less than the book value. So difference amount 3,400 indicate the loss on sale of furniture. This loss on sale of furniture, you write it over here, loss on sale of furniture 1,600. You write it over here. Now second working is related to interest on fixed deposit. Interest on fixed deposit. Interest on fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is 10,000. Rate of interest is 9%. So it is 900. Interest on fixed deposit. Interest on fixed deposit. Interest on fixed deposit received is already given in the receipt and payment account receipt side. It means rest 450 is the accrued interest. This 450 is the accrued interest. So in the outer column we will write 900. Next working is related to depreciation on furniture. Depreciation on furniture. On 1st April 2019, the value of furniture was 20. Furniture sold less written down value of furniture sold. Furniture sold was 5,000. So it is 15,000. So depreciation will be at the rate of 10%. So depreciation is 1,500. 1,500 is the depreciation on furniture. 1,500 is the depreciation of furniture. Now come to the membership admission fee. Members admission fees, it is the revenue income. We'll write in the credit side sale of grass 200, donation It is a general donation, that's why it's a revenue income. Now we'll do the total of the credit side and debit side and see which side is more. So credit side total is more, 1,07,000, 1,07,000. Write the same amount over here. Total is 42,380. So difference amount is 64,620. This is the difference amount. Surplus, excess of income over expenditure transferred to capital fund. This amount will be transferred to capital fund in the balance sheet liability side. So it is clear. Debit side to salary, upkeep of fields and pavilion, medicine used, maintenance expense, rent and taxes, grass seed, loss on sale of furniture, depreciation on furniture. The total is 42,380. Credit side total is more, so the difference amount transferred to surplus, that is excess of income over expenditure transferred to capital fund. Now come to the opening balance sheet to know the capital fund. So we are going to prepare the opening balance sheet to know the capital fund. Thereafter prepare the closing balance sheet. So all the information of 1st April 2019 will be reflected in the opening balance sheet. All the information of 1st April 2019. So start with the advance subscription. Advance subscription is 600. Opening, which is given in the additional information. Outstanding salary of the last year is 1,200. Cash at bank, you see in the receipt and payment account, receipt side at the top. Receipt and payment account, start with the cash in hand, cash at bank, FD. So all that three information we will write over here. So cash is 800, bank is 4,200. Interest on fixed deposit is 10,000. Outstanding subscription is 1,000. Stock of medicine closing 480 given in the additional information. This is also given in the additional information. Outstanding subscription last year, and furniture in the additional information 1st April 2019, it is 20,000. All these information is given. These three information is given in the receipt and payment account. Receipt side, start with that. These three items: cash in hand, cash at bank, fixed deposit is there. These three informations are in the receipt and payment account receipt side. Start with these three items, then outstanding subscription, stock of medicine in the additional information, and furniture information is given in the additional information number 5. Now do the total of the credit side. Credit side total is 36,480. Write the same amount over here, 36,480, and put the difference amount 34,680. This amount indicates the capital fund. This is the capital fund. So write the capital fund over here, 34,680, and add the surplus. Add the surplus 64,620. So total is 99,300. So capital fund, add surplus, which is carried from the income and expenditure account. Now come to the match fund. Match fund receipt is 12,000 and match fund expense is 880. Deduct the receipt from the expenses and reflect the amount in the outer side, 3,200. The balance amount of match fund is now 3,200. Advance subscription 900. Outstanding salary given in the adjustment 1,400 of the current year. Advance subscription of the current year. Stock of medicine given in the additional informations. outstanding subscription of last year is 200, which is not yet received, total outstanding subscription last year is 1000, and out of that only 800 has received, so 200 is not yet received, so this comes under the outstanding subscription 200 of the last year, and current year outstanding subscription is 2500, so total outstanding is 2700. Next is building. Directly write the amount out in the outer column because there is no depreciation. Write the amount of car directly in the outer column, no depreciation. Cash in hand, cash at bank, closing figure of the receipt and payment account, credit side last figure, closing cash in hand is 1500, cash at bank is 6000, fixed deposit at the rate of 9% is 10,000, accrued interest on FD 400, furniture whose book value is 20,000, out of that book value of the furniture 5,000 was sold, so remaining furniture is 15,000 and depreciation of that furniture is 1500, so rest amount is 13,500. Now we'll do the total of assets and liability side. Asset side total is 1,04,800. The same total will be this side, 1,04,800. So this is the balance sheet of the current year, 31st March 2020, capital fund. This one is carried from here, opening balance sheet. Surplus transferred from income and expenditure account. Add this to one. This is the total capital fund on this date after surplus. Match fund, receipt is this much, expenses is this much, so rest of the fund is this much in the match fund. Advance subscription is this, given in the additional information. Outstanding salary is as given in the additional informations. Stock of medicine closing, additional information. Outstanding subscription last year which is not yet received till date is 200, and current year outstanding is this month, so total outstanding as on this date means 31st March 2020 is 2700. 200 related to the previous year or 2500 is related to the current year. Building, directly outer column, car, cash, bank and FD. Cash, bank and FD has given in the credit side of the receipt and payment account. Last item, accrued interest on fixed deposit 450, furniture book value 20, less book value of furniture sold, less depreciation. Now final figure of furniture is 13,500. Okay, now I have discussed today one more comprehensive question based on the information given in the question, receipt and payment account and additional information, and on the basis of that you have to prepare income and expenditure and balance sheet. So while preparing income and expenditure account, we have to calculate or do certain workings like working of subscription, working notes of salary, working of depreciation, working of profit or loss on sale of furniture. So these are the working, and one more working is related to find out the capital fund by preparing opening balance sheet. So we will prepare the income and expenditure account, thereafter certain working, thereafter opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund, and finally we will prepare the balance sheet of the current year. So this particular topic, whereas the problem solution is concerned, is completed, is over. Okay, so I will give you some question based on that in the next slide.